We had to cut down a little tree about 3 years ago, and I knew the branches were so straight I wanted to do something with them. I didn't know what, and I finally figured out what I want to do. I'm going to make a Finnish game called Mölkky. That's Winston, say hello. It's called Mölkky, and it is a really cool outdoor yard game that uses strategy. It's not just chance or... Anyways, so I'm going to create that with this old log that's already dried out and ready to go. I've already done one branch of the tree, and those are the pieces. You cut them to, they're supposed to be 6 inches. I think mine are a little bit more like 7 inches, but it's not going to make a difference. I always like to use the logs or whatever I've already cut to measure, so it can be as close to or more accurate. You can purchase this game on Amazon, but I think it's so much funner to make things yourself. So, and also it doesn't look like logs. It just looks like round dowels. What I've decided to do is to create a 45-degree wedge so that I could put the logs up against it and have more of a handle on them, because at this angle I would have to get pretty close to the blade. But by doing this, it gives me a little bit more space between me and the blade, and I like that. So as you can see, there's a little wedge right here that I created so that I could just stick the log in here to create the 45-degree angle, and I don't have to put my hands as close because I'm going to have to brace the log since it's round. So we'll see how this goes. First one. That's what it's supposed to look like right there. Yes, it worked. They call this the Mölkky. It's a large throwing stick, and you're going to throw it at the pins. Now, your goal is to reach, it's the first person to reach 50 points wins the game. Now, the way you score is if you hit one pin only, you get the score that's on the pin. So say I hit the 1 and it knocks over, it's not touching anything else, I get 1 point. If I knock over the 9 and it knocks over and it's not touching anything else, I get 9 points. But if I knock down 5 pins and they all aren't touching anything, I get the number of the pins. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that's how you play. And then if you go, the point though is you have to go exactly to 50. If you go over 50, say you score 51, then so that's where it gets strategic in the end, because you're going to start aiming for certain pins or a certain amount of pins. If you go to 51, your score automatically drops back down to 25 and you have to keep going. It's the first person to get to 50. So here we go. I'll knock them down for the first roll. So that's a pretty good score actually. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that one doesn't count. I got 7 points. Now, you set them back exactly where they fell down, so they're going to start spreading out.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Whoa, that was really good. You spread them out.
So you got 4.
Wow.
4 or 5.
You mean for those numbers where you're getting close to 50? Oh,
You got
1.
6.
Oh, 6. Wow, nice. Nice.
You got 12. Take it back to her. Yeah, I know it. Hey,
He thinks it's a
better knock
tool.
it off.
Whoa.
Oh!
He's like,
Oh, he jumped.
he's gonna take off.
Get it here.